Hello and welcome back to the Business Growth Podcast. I'm your host, Shraddha, and today we're talking about something every small business owner needs to hear: how to grow your customer base without spending a single rupee. To help us break this down, we have with us Pradip Patil, the founder of Pocket Studio. Hi Pradip, welcome to the show.
Hi Shraddha, thanks for having me. I'm really excited to share some simple yet powerful strategies that any business owner can start using today.
Amazing. So Pradeep, marketing often feels overwhelming and expensive for new entrepreneurs. They hear terms like SEO, ads, funnels, and it feels out of reach. What's the reality?
You're absolutely right. Most new business owners assume marketing means spending a lot of money. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend a single rupee to start attracting customers. In fact, I'll walk you through 3 free strategies that can help you land your first 100 customers.
Perfect. Let's dive right in. What's the first one?
The first is local SEO, and trust me, it's a gold mine that many businesses ignore. Think about it. When someone in your city needs a service, the first thing they do is Google it. The big question is, does your business show up? The best part is, this is free. All you need to do is set up and optimize your Google business profile. Fill in your hours, services, photos, and most importantly, collect reviews from happy customers. My action tip, if you haven't already, go set up your Google business profile today. This one step can bring ready-to-buy customers straight to you.
That sounds like such a quick win. What about the second strategy?
The second one is mastering just one social media platform. A common mistake I see is businesses trying to be everywhere at once. Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and they end up growing nowhere. Instead, choose one platform where your audience is active. If you're in B2B, LinkedIn works best. If you're selling lifestyle or fashion products, Instagram is your go-to. Commit to it for 30 days. Create a content calendar, post consistently, and actually engage with people. My action tip, pick your platform today and plan 30 days of content. Keep it simple and focused.
That's practical and doable. And the third strategy?
The third one is email marketing, and it's a game changer. Here's why. Social platforms are great, but you don't own them. If tomorrow Instagram disappears, so does your audience. But your email list is yours forever. You can start free, offer something valuable like a checklist, guide, or cheat sheet in exchange for an email. Use tools like MailChimp to manage it at no cost. My action tip, create one freebie today and set up your first free email account. Even a small email list of 50 is more powerful than 500 random followers.
That's so true. I love how all 3 of these are simple, free, and practical.
Exactly. To summarize, the 3 steps are: optimize your Google business profile, focus on one social platform, and start building your email list. Follow these and you'll have a strong foundation for business growth without spending a rupee.
Brilliant. Thank you, Pradeep, for sharing these insights. And to our listeners, which of these strategies will you try first? Drop your answer in the comments or message us directly. If you found this episode useful, don't forget to follow the Business Growth Podcast and connect with Pocket Studio for more practical tips. Until next time, take care and keep growing.